Hello guys, I'm a young programmer. I know programming languages like Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Today I am showing you my website. You can see you need to put here your name. Let's put my name and your Gmail. You can put any Gmail or your Gmail. Let's log in. Here you can see the bar home our YouTube channel. Let's go. Here it will show my YouTube channel. You can create game. It will send to me, and if I like the game, I will add to the website. First game is a clicker game. Each click gives you money, play for fun, and try to get the highest score possible. Guess the number. Enter a number and the game will tell you if the number is the secret number is bigger or smaller. Guess it right and to win and play again. Catch and Run is a simple arcade game where you control a player and try to avoid the falling objects. Use the arrow keys to move left and right. If the player touches the falling object, something happens. The object can change color or the game can react in some way. The game is easy to play and trains your reflex and focus. Pixel Survival. Pixel Survival is a fun pixel art action game where players control a character navigating their level filled with enemies and hazards. Avoid TNT blocks and other obstacles while exploring the colorful retro style environment. Test your reflex and timing as you survive challenge and enjoy the simple yet engaging gameplay. Let's go to the clicker game. Let's go into the clicker game. As you can see, if you click the button, you'll get a point. Here, let's go to the home. Let's join number quest. Guess the number. Let's put 15. We need smaller, 30. Again smaller. Let's put 15. Again, let's 7. Smaller, 3. Bigger, 6. Smaller, and maybe it's 5. Yes? Correct. Let's play again. Let's put 15. Smaller, 13. Smaller, 15. Bigger, 25. Smaller, 20. Correct. Let's go to the home. Let's play catch and run. It's a following enemy. He want to kill you. Move with arrow keys. Here you can see your points. If we died, let's die. It says game over and you can play again. It will go to 0 points and you can play so many times. Get the highest score. Let's go to the home. Here we can see the last game, Pixel Survival. Let's go in. Here you need to the enemy want to kill you with TNT blocks. You need to go up and down. The blocks is faster and faster. Go faster and faster. Let's go. Now, game over. Let's restart. Uh, let's go to the home. Let's click on create. Here we can put games, code or description. Let's put the description. A game with enemy and player I don't know. It will send to admin to me. I will choose if it's a good game. I will add to the website. If not, I will don't adding to the website. You can put the game code to. Let's send to admin. You can again in the home. Here is my website. Let me show you the code. As you can, I show my PHP code. I will cut it. Not worry. I can show the login. I can show the register because there's my MySQL. You know the MySQL password. I can show it. And the main is CSS. Bye. Let's join in the site. Here you can see. Please join the site, open the site and play or create. Send to me a game. Please subscribe and like. I will so happy if you subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.